In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your computer isn't using all the available RAM and make your RAM fully usable. I followed two simple methods for this, so let's start step by step. First, before we begin, let's check how much usable memory your computer currently has. Go to Settings, then open System, and scroll down to About. Here you can see the installed RAM, for example, 8 GB, and also the usable amount that your computer is actually using. Now, let's start with method 1. Search for MS Configuration and open System Configuration. Click on the Boot tab, then select Advanced Options. Here, you'll see Maximum Memory. If it's ticked, untick it. Then click OK, apply the settings, and click OK again. Your computer will automatically restart. That's the first method. Now, let's move to method 2. Search for Registry Editor and click Run as Administrator. I've added a small code in the description. Just copy it, paste it in the address bar, and press Enter. Now you'll be inside the Memory Management section. Find Clear Page File at Shutdown and check its value data. If it's set to 0, change it to 1, then click OK. After that, restart your computer. That's it. Your computer should now use the full available RAM. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.